Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Yeah, man. It is Friday. As a matter of fact, it is early as chips. Yeah, commercial property day, baby. This is when we get up stupid early, get it done, and get off early so we can have a good weekend. My other two team members are on their way, and it's what time is it? 5:45-ish. Yep. So I'm going with the guys this morning because we got to, we want to knock out these properties today and just get off early. Why not, right? Hey guys, it's gonna be a hot one today, as usual, right? I don't know why I keep saying it every day, but stay motivated, man. Stay motivated. My new team member is doing extremely well. He's picking up his trimming skills, and again, we going day by day. He looks like an extremely favorable prospect. Definitely, he's doing what he's supposed to. He's here all the time. He's willing to learn. He is improving on a daily basis. So therefore, I see good things going on. All right, so Q and the new guy should be on their way in a few minutes. Matter of fact, they're over there in the storage, picking up the two additional trimmers, and we should be moving out. Now we are going into a area where we can't film. We have a lot of properties on post, military installations, so we can't film in there. But we'll get you some footage of something today and try to teach you something, right? Hey guys, if for any reason anything that you see us use and wear, it's in our Amazon store, and I have to give you a plug my Amazon store. Hook it up, man. And if you are interested in the Darwin grip, don't forget I have a link to it and a code. And if you're interested in the Equipment Defender, we also have that. All right, here they come. This is my new rig, guys. That's the new BOG rig. Yeah, that's where we gonna do it. All right, let's get hot.
And here it is, guys. Right before the rain. Alright guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Have a great one. Again, I didn't get a chance to record anything today because we were working on the installation. I do apologize for that. But have a great one. Enjoy the rest of your Friday. Pop smoke. Peace.